Another beautiful sunrise. About 120 k's east of Maralinga. Ross has just got the billy on there. It's about to get going. Got a nice fire. It's about 3 degrees. Got my Nutrigrain. Got the Vesuvius over here. Getting ready to cook some bacon and eggs. It's our little campsite. Railway line's just up there. Just west of Mount Christie and the old railway line, obviously before they realigned it. All the sleepers are up and old Fisher plates or base plates and rip the lines out, and our camp. Lovely spot last night. Well, we're all up and about, just about cooking breakfast here. Slowly it's getting there. Ross is cleaning up the rubbish. There's a fair bit of collateral damage, mate.
Yep. They're all yours.
Are they?
Yeah. 2 of them are mine.
Okay. Seat warmers. It was 4 degrees this morning. Just got toast there. Washing up. Shower tent from last night drying out. We're at Barton on the railway line. Looks like these are steel sleepers that are just laying here just in case they might be usable. 120 of them. I just tried to lift one. Man, I couldn't even lift it off the top of the stack. Plenty of old concrete sleepers and railway lines. But geez, there's a lot of steel out here. More steel. These look like they're new ones. Over there's drums full of these freaking links to pin the rail down. Look at the plastic buckets full of this plastic stuff. Looks like some sort of flooring. Top, I don't know what that is. But yeah. heaps of metal around here. It'd be worth a lot of money if you had to buy it. More. The new ones. I suppose the railway line, well, the railways know they've got it here and this is their method of storage. Nobody would come out here to get it. It's too freaking heavy, expensive. The roads are too shit. Though this road here is not too bad. I know, I was just looking at the wastage around here. Like, look at all this. There's 120 of those friggin' steel sleepers there. I just tried to lift the end of one of them. Man, I don't know how much they weigh each. This machine here is amazing. It's like a grader. And the other one up here is the digger. It's got these digging devices underneath. Somehow that smooths it out. But this one here comes along. It's got these big chisels that chisel down in between the railway line and in between the sleepers and somehow freaking dig it out or lift it up or something. I don't know. Huge big hydraulic rams. And they got 4 chisels inside and 4 chisels outside. Jamming up and down somehow to rejuvenate the track, I expect, or lift the track up, or who knows. If anybody knows how this thing bloody works or what it does, maybe you can comment and let me know.
What your ice coffee stocks are like. Maybe you're out.
Did I have 2 already? I don't know.
But you're fucked. No more ice coffee for you, pal.
There's no more fucking iced coffee. Don't drink both those.
You did. We're coming around the corner now, so you better get your fucking rattle your days, mate. Right next to the railway line.
Pretty high point here. Darius and Russ should be not too far away. That's an STC.
In the line.
gone past the plaque. Are you going to come back and look at it?
I didn't see the plaque, Darius.
It's a little concrete back in the station. Where do you want to go over? We'll go up, we'll go over the line and come back.
Is it on the north side of the line?
Yeah.
Go and have a chat to these guys. I'm coming, boss.
No, it's the other shed thing, you know, with the points.
Change channel or not worry?
Yeah, if you go to 40.
destination at Maralinga. Somehow we made it. Even though we did 3 tyres along the way, it seemed alright. Here he is. The TARDIS.
The Doctor Who. Put him feet.
Who's there? No, because this one does not work. Arrived at Maralinga. This is our setup at Maralinga. We are in an alcohol-free zone. Have a little setup. Open up the back here. This is ready to go. I've got running water. What's the water like?
Wet.
I think this was once a swimming pool, maybe. It's been filled in. There's another swimming pool here.